behalf of my team, Kevin and John Russell, I am excited to introduce you to JeepNav, a real-time tracker and route visualizer designed to modernize the local transit experience. So let's start by looking at the commuter struggle. Currently, commuters face significant challenges in identifying jeepney routes at waiting sheds, which lead to confusion and a lot of wasted time. This issue underscores a desperate need for better visibility and communication. The problem is heavily magnified during poor visibility conditions such as heavy rains or late at night, leading to confusion about approaching routes and increasing travel anxiety. And looking at the current state of Cebu, thousands of commuters rely on public utility jeepneys every single day. However, they are forced to navigate a system that depends entirely on visual spotting and memory. Without the aid of any digital tools, this introduces what we call as the unknown factor into the everyday travel. Commuters frequently deal with the anxiety and frustration due to unpredictable arrivals, wasting precious time just waiting for the right vehicle to appear. To solve this, our team created JeepNav Cebu. JeepNav Cebu is a mobile application specifically designed to provide real-time tracking of jeepneys by putting the data directly into the user's hands. We are enhancing the commuter's experience by eliminating the uncertainty and ensuring time arrivals at destinations. When developing this app, we focus on the specific needs of three core users. First is the daily student who needs timely and clear route information to avoid delays and get to classes on time. Second is the night shift worker who frequently travels in low visibility and requires precise ride identification to catch right jeepney and efficiently during late hours. And finally, the new commuter. This individual is unfamiliar with the local routes and requires visual guidance to navigate the system, making their journey much less daunting and more accessible. To empower these users, JeepNav focuses on two capabilities. The first one is live tracking and the second one is interactive selection. So what is live tracking? Live tracker is users can view approaching jeepneys in real time on a map, allowing for an efficient commute without the stress of uncertainty or waiting for extended periods. The second is interactive selection. By tapping on the map icons, commuters can access detailed information about each jeepney, including route numbers and destination, empowering users with the knowledge they need for their journey. So, why does JeepNav work? It comes down to three main pillars: clarity, information, and convenience. We eliminate the need to guess route numbers, especially in poor visibility conditions, allowing users to confidently identify their ride without stress. Information. The app offers instant access to detailed information about jeepney destination, which helps commuters to make informed travel decisions and reduces uncertainty. So the third is convenience. So with route visualization, we enhance convenience by allowing users to plan drop-off points efficiently, ensuring they reach their desired location with a total peace of mind. Lastly, ultimately, JeepNav transforms commuting by turning waiting sheds from guesswork into a driven data convenience. This innovative approach enhances the overall commuting experience while providing the timely route information our city desperately needs. So, thank you so much for listening. I am Vincent Salazar. That's all. Thank you.